Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 253 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, a power liftgate, all season floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Also comes with convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, navigation, a rear view backup camera, multi-color ambient lighting, a satin brown poplar wood trim, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 3,940 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.